Hello, and welcome to the Timer Pit, your home for educational and timer videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to see the student view inside of Canvas. When adding an assignment or discussion, or anything for that matter, in Canvas, you may be wondering what it will look like on the student's side. Well, there is a way for you to see what the students will see when you post something in Canvas. So if you go over to the side here, you see all these different options, and one of the options is Student View. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. You now are seeing what the students will see in your course. I have just uploaded a discussion to one of my modules, and I wanted to see if the students will be able to see everything that I posted. So I'll click on my module, and I'll click on what I just posted here, and now I can see what the students will see on their side. So I can know as a teacher that the lesson is going to go the way that I have envisioned in my head. So once again, click home. I'm going to leave the student view. So once again, if you want to see what the students see, all you have to do is go over to the side menu here and click Student View, and you will now be able to see what the students see in your Canvas course. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button so you'll be notified when new educational videos drop, which will be happening soon.